So now let's create a Docker file. So to create a Docker file, I'll create a Docker file here. And this would be the Docker command, guys. Okay. So you can check the Python version. So Python, I'm using 3.8. So make sure you are also giving 3.8 Slim Buster image. So first of all, it will install, these are the required, let's say, tools. It will create a directory, then it will copy the code, then it will install the requirements, then it will execute your app. Okay, that's it. So yes, I think everything is ready. And in the .github folder, so let's create another file. I'll name it as main.yaml. Inside that, you should have this YAML content. That means this is the CI/CD related command. Okay, so I think I showed you the same file in my email project as well. Okay, so I was using this file to perform the CI/CD deployment. Okay, the same thing, nothing changed, guys. Okay, the same thing. Now let me delete this .git keep file. It's not required right now. Okay, now everything is ready, guys. So now you are ready to deploy. So follow the same actually step, whatever step I showed you in the deployment, and try to deploy this project.